Happy Tulip Tuesday. This is the day we share timely tips for the tulip bunch. Today, talking about tying on a bow. How do you do that so the wire doesn't show? Easiest, take an extra piece of ribbon and tie that in a knot. That will become the center of your bow and become the wire. Then go back. Go ahead and tie a bow just like you normally would. And at this point, you want to stop. Cut that off. Using that extra loop, tuck it in. That's the center of your bow. And then pull that together and tie it, just like it's the wire. It gives you an opportunity to add to a bud vase, to add to a wedding bouquet without any wire showing. Now you know how the pros do it.